Yes, YouTube. Morning. Not like yesterday. I had a blast. You know what I mean? My voice is also and everything. Basically, I'm still in Castlegar. Today is my final day. I'll be leaving tomorrow. And like I said, yeah, I enjoyed yesterday. Yesterday was pretty nice. You know, I have a lot of fun. Well, today I wake up and I'm gonna make a trip over to the school. That's MTI. That's the college that we went. So I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on and see if the teacher remember me. Yeah, and then I'm gonna make a trip down in the town. And then basically that's it. I'm just gonna make a little small city run. Well, I'm driving my friend Basil van. And yeah, that's about it. And it's sunny outside right now, not too bad. I'm standing in front of the glass door looking over the balcony. Yeah, so this is from the balcony. I'm looking across the street. Sweet. Yeah, YouTube, that's it. Castlegar Mountain. Over in BC. Wonderful view.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yeah, YouTube. I roll out. I reach MTI college. I'm parking at the parking lot right now. I'm gonna make a walk, go inside, see if Andy inside, cause him are the boss. So I go link up Andy. So I go on inside of it. Just a quick run through, pass through, see if we can go inside. We don't know what I go on, we don't know the class in session or anything, but I just go make a look and I just get up and just come out of the place. That's it. So we walk going to MTI now, go see what I go on in there. As a man said, so you don't know YouTube, trash stars are checking in. You know what I mean? And we do this for the vlog, right? Inside, we're gonna check out what I go on. Yeah, we'll go inside now. Check out what I go on Andy. Andy place, Virgin Basil was a big Ford F-150 there. Used to trade with that truck here, MTI, see that now? Go inside the office and so I'll go on in there. There's nobody there. Open hours, Monday to Friday. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Is Andy here?
He's not.
He's not?
No.
Anyone is there? No one?
Just me.
Oh, I was just passing through because I came to school here in 2013.
Oh, okay.
This is my first time back.
Oh, okay.
Because I came for the barbecue thing that Basil was giving. Yeah. So I flew across from Nova Scotia.
Oh,
Yeah. So I was like, wanted to see him or his wife, but I guess no one is here.
When are you leaving? Tomorrow. Because they'll be back tomorrow. So that sucks.
Oh, okay. If someone wanna come to the school, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they're in Jamaica.
Yeah.
How does it work? Like, what they would have to do?
So right now they would need a work permit. They would need a company to sponsor them and come over. So they'd need to have experience.
Okay, so they would need a work permit first.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in order to get that, they would need a company to sponsor them to come over.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what they would have to do, let the company contact you guys, or they can contact you guys?
The company would contact us after they hire the person.
Oh, okay. So you definitely got to go through a company.
Yeah, right now.
Oh, okay. All right, and you don't know any company that does that?
I don't know of any that have the LMIAs right now.
Okay.
So that's why we're pretty slow. We haven't been bringing a lot of people over is because the companies don't have the LMIAs right now.
Oh, okay. I got you. Okay, cool. Can I go around the back? Like in the yard?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna make a walk to the back and
Yeah.
that's about it. Then I will leave it. You can let him know that Bill Smith came.
Okay.
Just
do that.
Alright, thanks.
No problem. Thanks for stopping in.
Thank you. Yeah. We reached inside the carriage a while ago. Come around the back park, come look what I go on. And in a day here, I said I come in tomorrow. Tomorrow may I leave. So you know that not going to see the training center. There's a door will come through and inside, you go inside and you get the job done. You get me what I'm saying? Now, yeah, so the big bad machine here, the 18. I'm going to charge it up. You know how I go on feet. So, remember driving the truck here up on the hill, you know? You know what I mean? Now this the mountain climb. Remember driving the truck here? See that now? See that? Castlegar, BC. See mountain up on the side of it? And a joke thing are going out there, so you know? Yeah. Cascada. See that now? Caution, student drivers. See that? Yeah, one of the big bad truck man I use. See chain we have is and chain up the wheel. See them there? See them there? BC and a joke thing. If you chain up the wheel them in the snow, you see me I say? Yeah, so we get ticket, company we get charged, you will get charged. Yeah, when the light come on and say chaining up, that them chain are required. You don't know? Yeah, come around the yard now and see how it's set. One trailer the right so. Alright. At the back of the schoolyard is. As you can see. Look at the mountain, look at the beautiful mountain from the background. Look at that. Castlegar. Yeah, we just make a walk go down there. And truck here go see what I go on. So a Mac. See, I have a Mac in the area. Them truck here they use for the training, you see me I say? So this is a B train. So you train with the B train. Train if you hook up, back up, do everything. This is the B train. You see school bus there. With the MTI in the school yard I walk up and down, you know what I mean? Long time, 2013 or 2017. I'm there back again, you see me I say? And I trade them, eh? Flatbread. You make a flatbread, eh? Our next B train again. 2 B train in the yard. And so we help our international yard, this is the Eagle. See me, I said, they have the training truck for students. So I have one more trailer of them here. Well, basically in the yard is a castlegar, you know people. There you have it. So anytime I not come to school and them thing around here, so is it, you see me? Trust me, watch out the yard small because you have to do back up, you have to do a bag of things in the yard here. And make sure you not touch nothing. You know what I mean? And the teacher them do it easy, show you, you know. So it's not like you go look on the yard and say, no man, in here so small, I can't turn that, I can't fix it. And just tell them to come out of the truck and do it themselves. And send it back in the truck, you see me? So you have to do your thing if you want past. have to make sure I get it right. You have to watch, pay every. You hear me saying, man, the teacher them good, you see me saying? So you have to just pay attention and you get it right. And once you get it right, trust me, when you go out the road, you can't fail. Proven soldier. 2013, haven't been in an accident. See? And the snow will come driving and you don't know, say Jamaica don't have snow, so you have to go to school and know the thing set up and do it right, you see me I say? And once you get it right, you can't go wrong. You see it, so you don't know the MTI college man there. As I mentioned, see fire station across the street. You know. But yeah, we pass through. It's a staff only. And then the training. So this is it, peeps. Tri-stars. Tri-stars are checking. You see me I say? Yeah, castlegar again. Now we're there one place that right here's the name. I'm saying I did like a town shopping center like. My castlegar. So right now I'm inside of the van. I'm gonna look out through the window. You know what I mean? And so I just do like a small video. You know what I mean? Yeah, YouTube. As I may say, castlegar is a wonderful feeling. You know what I mean? It hot now still, but you don't know if you make the AC blow like not cold, right? So other than that, you know, but they here go and chill. I'm alone because everybody gonna work. Brazil, you know, them the trip work. Them come home at evening time still at a good part, but for them work. Them come home at daytime, so them go out day, come home back at night time, sleep on the yard and go out again, and then the weekend and get off. Them work the way I talk about. You know what I mean? A long haul still, you know, but not necessarily the long haul the way that, you know, that come like long haul, short haul. You know, over call it. Or if we can call it short haul still because of a long haul and nothing like that. But then do one 12-hour shift, 13-hour shift a daytime, and then go back at the yard, you know what I mean? So them wake up out of them bed. So it's a daycare them drive because they don't really sleep on road. So that's the good part and the nice part about for them work, them come home, you see me? Unlike my work now, I leave out 2-3 weeks before I go back home. You know what I mean? So oh man. But then, and then collect good money too, you know. That's the nice part about for them thing over the BC. Them collect good money, you know what I mean? Get them money enough. Well, them collect an extra $1,000 or extra 12 bills than what we would collect. You know what I mean? And we out the 3 weeks and them go home, then out the 5 days and go home for 2. And plus then go home every night. You know what I mean? Unlike we now, out the 3 weeks as well, I say 4 weeks, 1 month, longer than that too. You know what I mean? And then we still can't match up to what go on. You know what I mean? But we don't know if as so the system said or but I don't know if you explain it, you know what I mean? But I walk on, isn't it? I'm not really get to talk about the pay part of the thing yet for our side and everybody's side, but we don't want to get it right. But we're going to talk about it as soon as next week. We're going to talk about it and get it out of the way, you know what I mean? And I have pre-trip them come up. Because the pre-trip them come over BC and make Basil and him friend them and some of the money there at the school. Do some pre-trip and we get it on video, so I go, you know, release it and make you understand and see if you get to pass the exam, if you get the license and all them things there. So it can be very helpful. You can watch it over like 10-15 times just to get it right. And then it will work, you know what I mean? And every single thing, it worked for me, so it worked for you. Same way like you're gonna see it, same way it's done. It's only because the ear dynamics inside right now, if you talk about the ear pressure and losing the ear pressure and all that. YouTube, respect, thanks for tuning in, Tri-stars again, you know what I mean? And we have a lot more video coming. And also, we have a next barbecue coming up in next month, the 26th. We are tour and we are work. As I said, we gotta do this, you know, because we have a next video where we go Jamaica and thing, we make a release. You know what I mean? So, as I say, it's not just about the truck alone. We're here, we are par, right? Or we are do it. Or we could just see the whole thing because, you know, a little vibes can come out of it also. A little watch time we can get, you know what I mean? And we are do it. And just, everybody subscribe and tune in, so it's for a reason. Is either don't like what I do, or, you know, I'm just interested in what I go, anything. But then still subscribe, and because I subscribe, I'll go to whatever my promise we give. You know what I mean? So, respect and thanks, and big up everybody. You know what I mean? I Tri-stars again. Big up. Yeah, I'm inside a Boston Pizza. In a castlegar, basically. Come order pizza. You know, just feel kind of I don't feel like we want to eat something different. Taste how castlegar pizza tastes basically. And that's about it. I'm there inside here, I see some pictures all over the place, and kind of look nice. Inside here, look, the pictures them look attractive. It caught my eyes with all those colors and all that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about inside Boston Pizza. Oh my god, no.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yeah, see them? Just buy them new pizza, I'm going to ease myself. No look too bad. Another Domino's, a Boston, what am I talking about? Boston Pizza. You know, look at that room I see. But you things all over and I have them place. Watch it, man. Now, sir. But nothing in my yard, you know. Because, come and with me and I'll come leave with them place. No, man. Everybody gonna work, I'm gonna live here now. Yes, YouTube. Try stars again and check it, you know. In the night now, I'm gonna hold a bed. You know, freshen up, go on bed. Come here by 8 o'clock flight. A morning, we head back to Nova Scotia. You know what I mean? So, I do it. You know what I mean? I vlog it. So, we still are tuning in, come in a castlegar in the night now, and I'm Tassie the year apart. Right, Tassie? Me and Tassie the year apart, and you don't know. Hola. What's your name?
Sassy.
Your name is?
Sassy.
With a S?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, Sassy? You want to say hi to YouTube? You sure? This is the second time. I'm leaving tomorrow and you don't want to say hi to YouTube? Come on, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Why?
No, say hi to YouTube.
You shy? No, just wave and say hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Hi. Thanks for watching. Try stars.
Check it.
Chucking.
Vlogs.
Vlogs.
YouTube, you don't know, try stars I check out, you know. You see me, I say, castlegar, me there see me, you know. Just get ready and thing, and don't know, Basil, I can't go to the airport or drop me off and thing. You don't know. That's what it said. You see me, I say, we full job everything, you don't know one link, you know, say, alright, big up. Hey, YouTube, see you know, Basil drop me off at the airport, you know. You see me, I say, you don't know. I saw your link set, you know, from school days come up, you see me, I say? Yeah, so you don't know Basil, yeah. Big up the world, you know. You don't know, so YouTube will say, you know. You see me, I say, yo, I go in, you know, because time is against me, you know.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
It's a big bad castlegar.
Yeah. Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yeah. Even again, YouTube afternoon, Milan in Calgary. Basically, Trust me, the flight there a while ago was a rough one. The plane smaller, so you cannot take a. But you know, I like about Calgary, you know, some little car thing. Hold on there.
Attention, do not cross. Atmosphere, look up for the seat.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been
Putting Mitchell's passengers on Air Canada 322 with service to Montreal, we are just currently strapping down an instrument in the aircraft that should be taking about 5 more minutes. Once we get the okay to board, we will begin with zones 1, zone 2, 3 boarding and remain assistance or assigning children under the age of 6, zone 3, 4, and 5.
Long hours of the flight. Right now I'm in Montreal. I ate to Nova Scotia. Just landed a while ago. What may I tell you, 9 hours worth of flight. 6 plane, 3 go, 3 come back. My God, castlegar have me away. Well, I do it. You see me, I say, I'm sure the support. You see me, I say, we have more traveling left, we have more traveling left. Oh man. So, alright. So, I'm there going easy, you know, YouTube. And, you know, I'm just come back, as I just said to you. Right now, I'm there away from the other fight. And I easy myself, you see me, I say, I'm reaching, I just go well asleep and bail and easy, you see me. Anyway, big respect. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the subscribe. Try stars I check out. Because I don't think I go vlog no more for the rest of the night. One more thing. Everybody just big up themselves and pray before I go and get here. Good night.
all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.